Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Dentist. ClickGuard effectively safeguards and maximizes your Google Ads ROI so you can focus on the quality and success of your business without having to deal with abusive, disruptive, fraudulent, and wasteful clicks. Exceptional accuracy. Leverage advanced click forensic-based behavioral analytics to better understand your Google Ads clicks. Our exceptionally accurate tracking of all click sources helps you to clearly differentiate real users from competitors and automated attacks to identify and block wasteful clicks. Industry agnostic. Deploy highly personalized protective solutions in minutes. Our highly customizable industry and geography agnostic approach allows you to seamlessly integrate our solutions to any existing Google Ads campaign and automatically protect and scale your business growth. Best-in-class support. ClickGuard offers best-in-class service with fully tailored onboarding and responsive support staff available 24/7/365. As a part of our elite package offering, we provide proactive threat management with a dedicated account manager. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyzes every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.